What's the meaning of aspirator? Aspirator. Aspirator.
Aspirator. Aspirator. An aspirator is a device that creates a vacuum through the flow of a fluid, typically air or water. This process is used in various applications such as medical procedures, laboratory experiments, and industrial processes. When the fluid flows through a narrow tube, it increases its velocity, causing a decrease in pressure. The low pressure then draws in gas or liquid from a connected source into the flowing fluid. As a result, an aspirator can be used for suction or mixing purposes, depending on the application.